Hello, thanks for your question. I'm going to explain to you how to do these three probabilities. So let's start with just kind of listing the probabilities that we need before we begin. So the question tells you that approximately 14% of the people are left-handed. So we would write that as probability of L for left-handed equals decimal 1,4. I'm assuming from the question that if you're not left-handed, you're right-handed, and so the probability of being right-handed would be decimal 8.6. So in the questions that you provided, if we look at question number 1, the probability that selecting two people from the population and having them both be right-handed, so you want a right-handed person first and a right-handed person second, that's a probability where we use the AND symbol, and in probabilities, AND means that you multiply. And so we would multiply the probability of being right-handed, which is 0.86, times another 0.86 because we want two people to be right-handed. And we would multiply those together to get the final probability. For the second question, they're asking that both are left-handed. So again, we're looking for the probability of the first person being left-handed and the second person being left-handed. And so in this case, the AND again means multiply. We're going to use the probability of being left-handed, which is the 0.14, and we're going to multiply that by itself to get the final probability. And in the third question, you're being asked for one left-handed and one right-handed person. And so we are being asked for one R and one L. And again, it's an AND question, so we're going to multiply the probability of being right-handed, which is 0.86, by the probability of being left-handed, which is 0.14. So here's one right-handed person, one left-handed person, and you multiply those together to get the total probability. I hope that helps. If you have other questions, don't hesitate to email them in.